Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fart, make a fart sound with using your back. Alright, first of all, we need a plastic or wood surface to lay on back. Then, put it up and down. Make sure you pucker it out and pucker out. Pucker in, pucker out. Pucker in, pucker out. Ow! Something that hurts, especially on water. Be quiet. Just be quiet. I'm recording a video. And that's it. Bye.